Check out this video. This is one of the largest textile plants ever found in China today. Watch closely and see what they produce. 90.99% of what they produce in this factory end up in Nigeria. Stay tuned and you will see the way these things are produced from scratch. Just watch and see the space. This is just a section of the textile factory. You are going to see the other sections of the factory. Keep watching and what you will see in this video will shock you. So after the production, this is the endpoint production line. When they get to this point, they are sealed and arranged before a forklift comes to pick them. Then compression and packaging follow immediately before shipment. You will also see how these things are actually exported out of the country. And those labels you see on wrappers, this is exactly how they are sticked to the wrappers. Hope you can see the labels on the wrappers, right? If you watch this place closely, you will find out that they have sophisticated machines here for the production of these textiles. So in a nutshell, this is a typical textile plant, and this is what Nigeria used to have, several of it controlled by government years back. But what is happening today? Not even one of them is functional. Just as the Nigerian steel industry collapsed, the Nigeria textile industry also collapsed. All these things collapsed as a result of nonchalant attitude we have shown to them. Now look at how these things are exported. This is exactly how they are packaged before they are further moved for shipment. Now what will come to your mind is how many workers are employed in this factory and how much do they generate on a daily basis. This is how these things are loaded into containers and they are exported. And let me tell you that almost everything they produce here ends up in Africa, West Africa to be precise, because this looks more like our fabrics. And here in our own country, the dealers are being patronized massively by those buying the clothes for Ashebi and all the rest of them. So in simple terms, this is how they are produced. Some people even go as far as sending the design of the wrapper they want. They send them to these countries where these things are produced and they design it according to their choice. What is the big deal in reviving all these things and bringing them back to life again? In the past, the colonial masters built a rail line from Katsina to Lagos, typically for the purpose of the transportation of this cotton. So they purposely and strategically put everything in place for the easy movement of these things. But today, what is happening? Today, Nigeria no longer produces cotton as before. And even the little we produce, we sell them as raw materials. If you hear tomorrow that China is becoming or has become the world power, this is what it simply means: productivity and industrialization. So I advise that the Nigerian government, in collaboration with individuals, should invest in this business. Just take a look at the amount of money we ship into these countries, indirectly creating jobs for them. If we should look towards reviving all these cotton industries and the textile industries in Nigeria, it will benefit a lot of us, especially the youths. And above all, it will help to improve our economy.